In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently duplicate or download your theme file in Shopify, a straightforward process that ensures you can securely back up your store's design or experiment with changes without any risks. This is crucial in maintaining the integrity of your business's online presence. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to Shopify. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL to log into your Shopify dashboard. If you've never accessed Shopify before, or if you're having trouble logging in, make sure you're using the right credentials. This is the central hub from which you'll manage everything from products to your site's look and feel. Once you're logged in and on the Shopify dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. You'll see a variety of options, but what we want to focus on today is the Online Store section. Click on that, and then within it, click on Themes. This is where all your theme management happens. It's the heart of your store's aesthetic environment, where you can control how your store looks to visitors. Now that you're in the theme section, take a moment to look at your current theme. You'll notice some small icons, particularly the 3 dots next to your theme's name. Clicking on these 3 dots will open up a mini menu with several options. Among these are 2 key actions that you'll find powerful for theme management: duplicate and download theme file. Let's talk about duplicate first. By selecting duplicate, Shopify will create an exact copy of your current theme. This is an excellent option if you're planning to make changes to your store's design. By working on a duplicate, you ensure your live site remains unaffected while you test or develop new looks. Having a duplicate is like having a safety net, giving you the freedom to explore and innovate without compromising your active theme. Alternatively, if you choose Download Theme File, Shopify will compile all your theme files into one convenient zip file and make it available for download. This is particularly useful if you want to keep a local backup of your theme or if you're handing it over to a developer. It ensures that, no matter what happens, you have a safeguard copy of all your theme's design elements. And just like that, you're done. Whether you've chosen to duplicate for safe experimentation or to download for an offline backup, you've taken an important step to safeguard your online store's appearance and functionality. I hope this walkthrough makes the process easier and helps you feel more comfortable managing your store's aesthetic components. Remember, keeping backups and working on duplicates not only prepares you for unforeseen problems, but also empowers you to creatively explore new ways to engage your customers. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.